Welcome to my channel. Improve your GK, like, share and subscribe. Quiz time. Let's get started.
1. Which of the following is the first day of Dashay? A. Ghatasthapana. B. Phoolpati. C. Maha-Ashtami. D. Vijayadashmi. The correct answer is A. Ghatasthapana. 2. Which of the following is the goddess worshipped during Dashay? A. Saraswati. B. Durga. C. Lakshmi. D. Ganesh. The correct answer is B. Durga. 3. Which of the following is the day on which the Taleju temple is open to the public? A. Navami. B. Vijayadashmi. C. Maha-Ashtami. D. Kojagrat Purnima. The correct answer is A. Navami. 4. Which of the following is a traditional Dashay food? A. Sel roti. B. Jakhan. C. Yomri. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. 5. What is the seventh day of Dashay? A. Ghatasthapana. B. Phoolpati. C. Maha-Ashtami. D. Vijayadashmi. The correct answer is B. Phoolpati. 6. What is the eighth day of Dashay? A. Ghatasthapana. B. Phoolpati. C. Maha-Ashtami. D. Vijayadashmi. The correct answer is C. Maha-Ashtami. 7. Which of the following is a popular Dashay activity? A. Kite flying. B. Playing village swings. C. Visiting elders. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. 8. Which of the following is the traditional sacrifice made during Dashay? A. Goat. B. Chicken. C. Buffalo. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. 9. Which of the following is the last day of Dashay? A. Ghatasthapana. B. Phoolpati. C. Maha-Ashtami. D. Vijayadashmi. The correct answer is D. Vijayadashmi. 10. Which of the following is a traditional Dashay gift? A. Red tika. B. Dakshina, money. C. New clothes. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above.